And here we go. This is my setup for now. Now I waited for a few days, for about 3-4 days, and the weather is not getting better. And today it should rain. So that's why I put that DPM on, just to keep it a little bit out of rain, out of water, just in case it's going to rain. You know, I'm a little bit protected, and that is going to help even a little bit with the wind. Now it's all been primed and we are ready. I mixed the silicone render. All the color now is done. The reveals are already done. So this is how it's supposed to be the finish. And now I'm ready to do this full wall, the entire back of the house, and hopefully I'm not going to have any trouble. It's quite windy, and this sort of tarpaulin here is making a lot of noise, and it's a bit scary, but it's okay because everything is tied to the house, to the fascia board with screws, so that shouldn't be any problem. And the scaffold is held by a bar on the side, so definitely there isn't going to be any movement on the scaffolding, and I can work without any problem, but it's quite scary. So without any further ado, I believe we have to start to do it, because they are saying in a couple of hours it's going to start to rain. So I want to finish before that and give it a little bit of time to cure, to become a little bit harder, just in case, you know. Then I'm going to be more calm, let's say. Scary. So let's do this. Isn't that nice when you are all prepared? Look at that. It's raining quite hard. Now it started about 10 minutes ago and it's not going to stop, but now I'm concerned about the splashes that can go on the wall, and this is still fresh. Because of the humidity, it's going to take a long time to dry. In fact, I've done all the walls. I put all the silicone render on, and just after I started to flatten it out. I had loads of time to do that. So now it's all done, and I will just need to wait a little bit. Hopefully it's going to stop raining and I can clear all my stuff from here, because the back it's actually done. I still need to work a little bit on the front, but you can see that on my other video. And yeah, the weather changed, because when I start it was quite nice. I had a few good days, actually 1 week, but in between taking all the cladding off and installing a new one, I kind of lost 1 week, and I knew that the weather is going to change, but yeah, we are prepared for that anyway. So just going to clear everything out and let's see how it's going to go. Hopefully it's not going to rain that strong, because it's starting and it's stopping and it's starting and it's stopping, and hopefully it's going to be everything okay. But I will have to do something, definitely I will have to do something about that, because I don't want any splashes to go now on the fresh render, because then I'm going to be in big trouble. You cannot wash it anymore, because it's going to become one with the render. It's just going to get stuck inside, and probably it's going to even change the color if it's going to be washed. So yeah, that's a big concern. Anyway, let me just quickly sort out all these things here, and I'm going to show you what's going on. So alright guys, I'm just going to quickly sort all the bits and bobs that I still need to do, and then we will see how am I going to sort everything out. Now I am back. Actually I was working a little bit the front of the house, but for the past 3 days I kind of struggled because it's raining continuously, but I didn't come at the back here. Now I just decided to take the scaffolding down, because it should be everything nice and dry. So I'm going to take everything down now, because yeah, it's quite strong now. So I believe it is time. Yeah, the front is quite difficult to finish. I still have some bits and pieces to do. You are going to see all that on my other video, but for now I'm just going to stop, just take this one down, because I can now, because everything it's nice and strong and weather resistant. And I'm just going to quit for the next few days, because for the next 2-3 days it's still going to rain, so I cannot actually render, because the position I'm in is quite difficult to cover, so just going to leave it for now. But let's take this towel off and see how it's going to look like. And done. Are you ready? And here we go. Now definitely it's looking a little bit better than the others. We have one over there, but they didn't do the top side. They never do that because sometimes can be dangerous because it could be asbestos, but it was just ply, so it was okay to touch it a little bit, to nail it, to reinforce it. It was safe to work on. Anyway, now it's all done, and I will still have a lot to do the front of the house. Like I said, you can see that on my other video. But meanwhile, don't forget to squeeze that like button and see you on the next one. See ya. Bye.